Hello my friends, my name is Mohammad Naveed and in this lecture I am going to teach you would rather present. So what is would rather present? In order to learn this we need to see the usage. So here we have the usage to show preference. We use would rather to show preference. Now it's time to see the structure. So the structure is here and then we have examples. So for example is I would rather learn English than French. I would rather learn English than French. So here in the present, for example, if someone, for example, Naveed, for example, is learning, for example, French. Naveed is learning French. So definitely Naveed is saying here, I would rather learn English than French. So here I am giving preference. For example, here we have English and here we have French. So I am doing this and I am preferring what? English. Getting me? So when we prefer, we use would rather. Then we have the second example. She operates all computer or she operates all PC. Oh, I should remove this. Okay, now it will fine. Okay, so she operates all PC. She would rather operate new PC. Definitely here we are giving preference or we are showing preference. Then we have the third example. They play football. They would rather play cricket. Getting me? So here we are also showing preference. He rides bike. He would rather drive a car. He rides bike. He would rather drive a car. So in all the examples, what we are showing preference. Getting me? So we use would rather to show preference in present, not in past, not in continue. Okay. Now it's time to see the structure of would rather present. So the structure is here: subject, would rather, first form verb plus object. What is mean by subject? Subject means doer, and here we have, you can say I, we have she, they, he. So means here we are saying that who is doing? Ali is doing, Naveed is doing, who is doing? Getting me? So subject means doer. Then definitely we use would rather, then first form verb. What is meaning of verb? Verb means a word which is used to indicate the act is called verb. For example, if I say here eat, if I say sit, or if I say learn. So definitely these all words are what? These all words are defining or indicating act. So any word which indicates act is called verb. And here definitely learn. Here we have operate, play, drive. These all words are indicating act. Then we have the object. Object is very important. Object tells the meaning of all the sentence. For example, if I say here, I would rather learn English, or I would rather learn. I would rather. If I don't use English, so do you think you will get the proper meaning of this sentence? No, you won't. Why? Because I did not use object. So if I say I would rather learn, so you say I would learn what? I would rather learn computer. I would rather learn electronics. I would rather learn homeopathic. I would rather learn. Means what? Definitely. So object is very important. So this was a lecture on would rather present. I hope you have understood. For more videos, lecture and exercises, come to my website www.naveedplus.com. Allah fi amanillah, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.